Amazing morning, everyone.
Amazing morning.
So happy to see you faces. So, sorry kay first pag yun mo hindi mangyayari. So, we're not used to it. So, pasensya na mo. Magulat ko. So, here, I am here in front my husband, Robinson. We are the parents of Trishate, one of the Sapphire 8 and Earner. So, you can see at the monitor, one of our members in the hall team. So, we are a typical, yung business namin is we're into construction business. So, being in IAM Worldwide, this is the only company na matatawag natin na first ever na naka-join kami. Because we don't usually, join just any business kasi mahirap ka. But nakikita namin sa IAM Worldwide na legit at very sustainable yung yung system ng business nila. So, dito nakikita namin na maraming natutulungan, not just in health, but also sa financial. So, ito, kikita natin yung result ng husband ko, si Robinson Te. Because prior to this business, I was the user 3 or 4 years ago. That was 2019, if I was not mistaken. And I was the only user in the family. So, even if I force them to drink the barley, ayaw nila. So, for the past 4 years, ako lang umiinom. Then suddenly came last October, something happened with my husband. So, he had an X-ray, a CT scan, a biopsy, then a PET scan. Then, nakikita na may bukol sa lungs niya. So, to further elaborate on the results, I will give you my husband to give his testimony regarding her.
Hello, good afternoon, good morning, men's amazing morning. Sorry. I'm the father of Tricia, and we have a small business here in Tagbilaran. I was diagnosed last October for a lung mass in my lungs, and then we had other mainly laboratories like CT scan, and then there's a mass for 4 cm by 2.9 by 1.6. And then for 3 weeks ay uminom ako ng barley kasi yung misis ko nag-use ng barley for 2 years already, but more than 2 years. And then ako, pinainom niya ako ng barley for 3 to 1 month. And then nagpa-check up ulit ako. Yung bukol lumiliit na 0.5 by maliit na, malaki na ang sabi ng doktor, bakit lumiit daw yung bukol, hindi lang kami kumibo. Tapos, binigyan niya ako ng ibang gamot, tapos hindi ko ininom kasi takot na rin ako. I try barley until now, I use barley.
What happened? From my husband, then yung mga anak ko na, sunod-sunod na. Then, what's easy is that when my children were listening to the talks of Richard Dean, nakikita nila na maganda yung system. So, from my daughter, Trishate, sumali na yung kapatid niya, si Tifanite, who is also one of the elite Sapphire, then yung yung bunso nilang kapatid na senior high school, nag-invest din sa Parley at the same time user na rin before investing. Then yung kuya niya na nasa Ubay who is also into a business. Then yung husband ni Tita Lite, sumali din. So in all, it is already a family business na. So nakikita nila not just kasi yung nakikita din nila yung persistence ko, yung dedication ko sa product na maganda yung product. So hindi lang sa business side, kundi sa product itself, maganda talaga. So maraming natutulungan sa product. So yun, ito yung one of the, so ito yung ibang mga members natin. Ito is from New York, then California, Chicago, and New York users din yan. Meron din tayong police ng mga users. So, hoping sana makakita yung buhay. So, yung pangalan ng team namin dito sa Bohol Mentor team is Gems Hope. Team Gems Hope Bohol. Yung ano namin. So, let me share with you why na ang pangalanan niya ng Team Gems. Why Team Hope? Ever since in all aspects, I have been hopeful in life, especially in my relationship with other people. Because I honestly believe to have hope is to want an outcome that makes your life better in some way. It's not only it can help make a tough present situation bearable, but also can eventually improve our lives. Because envisioning a better future motivates us to take the steps to make it happen. So with IDAM Worldwide, nakikita namin na proven and legit ang system ng business dito. Meron man o walang background sa pag-negosyo, pwede ka dito dahil provided ang trainings daily. So hindi pa decided na nandito ngayon, go grab the opportunity. Because through teamwork, hard work, commitment, and dedication, together, we can all do it. And by joining this team and by being part of IDAM Worldwide family, we can help a lot of people because of this business. Don't hold back. If your products and opportunities can change someone's life, it is our obligation to share it to the world, as what DPI has said. So, I believe if we trust in the Lord with all our heart, believing in God's perfect time, we can all do it. To God be all the glory.